Big breaking news from a U.S. immigration system, and it could impact thousands of people waiting for visas and green cards. USCIS has rolled out a new vetting system forcing rechecks of fingerprints with upgraded FBI background scans, even for cases already pending before April 27th. That means delays across green cards, asylum, work permits, and naturalization. At the same time, the U.S. is tightening student and work pathways. While ICE reports massive fraud in the OPT program involving thousands of foreign students. So what does this mean for your visa, your job, or your future in the U.S.? The answer is more delays, stricter checks, and growing uncertainty, and it's happening right now. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, U.S. Immigration News. Green card and U.S. citizenship application processing still facing delays. USCIS has introduced a new vetting protocol that is changing the immigration process in the U.S. Under the latest rules, officers must resubmit fingerprints to the FBI's upgraded background system before approving pending cases. This applies broadly to green cards, naturalization, asylum, and work authorization applications requiring biometrics. Even applications submitted before April 27th are now being rechecked, causing unexpected delays across the system. Immigration attorneys report slowed adjudications as officers wait for updated FBI clearances. Experts warn that expanded searches may flag minor or old records, even without convictions. Advocates fear disproportionate impacts on immigrants from heavily scrutinized regions. The FBI system checks name variations and phonetic matches across multiple investigative files. Even indirect mentions can trigger manual reviews by officials. This marks a broader tightening of immigration screening under the Trump administration. It reflects increased enforcement and stricter oversight across legal immigration pathways. We'll keep tracking how these changes impact applicants waiting for decisions and what it means for future immigration processing times in the U.S. If delays continue, legal experts say backlogs could grow significantly, affecting thousands of families and workers already in the pipeline. F-1 visa overhaul. U.S. may cap international students' stay at 4 years. All you need to know. F-1 visa overhaul. U.S. authorities are reviewing a major change for F-1 visas. The plan would replace the current duration of status system, which allows students to stay while enrolled, with a strict 4-year limit on stay. New DHS proposal. Once the period ends, students would need DHS approval to extend their stay legally. The rule has reached the White House Office of Management and Budget for final review, and also extends restrictions to J-1 exchange and I-media visas. Wider visa impact. This mirrors a Trump-era proposal that faced strong opposition from universities and hospitals over added bureaucracy. International students already face uncertainty after visa pauses, cancellations of status, and partial court relief in recent months too. Political backlash. Political backlash against OPT and H-1B visas is growing, with critics claiming job displacement. In Trump's second term, stricter enforcement continues, and Republicans push to eliminate OPT programs entirely. U.S. Visa Bulletin June 2026. Today's U.S. Visa Bulletin for June 2026 has brought major disappointment for Indian green card applicants. Let's break it down clearly. First, in the EB-1 category, which is for priority workers with exceptional talent, the final action date has moved backward to December 15th, 2022. This means fewer people can move forward in the queue. Next, the EB-2 category, for professionals with advanced degrees, has seen an even bigger setback. The date has retrogressed to September 1st, 2013, pushing thousands of applicants further behind. The reason behind this backward movement is simple: high demand and limited visa numbers. The U.S. Department of State says annual limits are being reached faster than expected, forcing these retrogressions to control the flow. Even more concerning, officials warn that if demand continues, some categories could face further delays or even become temporarily unavailable in upcoming months. For Indian applicants, this means the already long green card wait is getting even longer, especially in employment-based categories like EB-1 and EB-2. While family-based categories remain mostly stable, the employment-based system is clearly under heavy pressure. In short, the June 2026 bulletin signals one thing: longer waits, tougher competition, and increased uncertainty for Indian immigrants in the U.S. green card process. U.S. immigration authorities and ICE allege massive OPT visa fraud linked to thousands of foreign students, empty offices, and fake business locations. ICE and USCIS have uncovered widespread fraud in the optional practical training OPT program involving thousands of foreign students. And suspected employers across the U.S. speaking at a press conference, Acting Director Todd Lyons said investigators found empty offices, locked buildings, fake work locations, and companies claiming to employ hundreds of students with little real activity. Officials say over 10,000 students linked to suspect employers. What is OPT? The program allows F1 students temporary employment related to their field of study for up to 12 months before or after graduation, with pre- and post-completion periods deducted accordingly. ICE findings. Investigators visited sites across Texas, Virginia, Georgia, Illinois, New York, New Jersey, North Carolina, and Florida, finding empty buildings, locked doors, and addresses. Where hundreds were allegedly employed, multiple employers listed same address. Without leasing facilities, residential homes also used as work locations. Some occupants denied knowledge of companies. Shell company links. HSI officials identified coordinated employer clusters in North Texas across shared buildings. Multiple firms, share owners. One Texas case showed 3 workers, but 500 students linked. Companies use India-based HR and overseas operations. Some use P.O. boxes or empty addresses. Officials say fraud is deliberate, coordinated, and cross-border. Officials warn investigation continues, and reforms may follow to secure OPT program integrity. All right, that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.